Scenes for a hat, take one. Bargaining for a car.
Hey, I want this Porsche,
Yeah, it's really nice.
but I don't have enough money for it.
Oh,
Can you give me a pension?
No. I'm sorry.
But I really like this car.
Alright, next. Start of a funeral. Oof.
My mom died.
God bless this lovely woman. She lived a long, happy life.
Excellent. Next up. Walking your dog. Okay.
Woof, woof.
Oh, excellent, excellent. All right, next up. Skydiving.
Hey, I need to capture this.
All right, next up. Buying a new iPhone. Come on, quick. Quick, quick, quick.
This one looks so cool.
That's the most expensive one. And
That's
it
why I
doesn't
want-
seem to fit in your pocket.
Well, I'll put it in my purse.
All right, next. Last one. Going on a trip to Uzbekistan.
You know, that place that I can't pronounce? Let's go there.
Yeah, let's go there.
Okay.
All right, excellent. At the end of a scene, what do we do?